Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will be knowing the differences between terminating, non-terminating recurring and non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So first of all, what are decimals? Suppose we write a number 1. This is considered to be an integer or whole number or natural number. But if you write 1 as 1.00, it becomes a floating point number. Similarly, the numbers containing points are called decimals. Suppose we consider a number 0.11. Since it contains a point, so it is a decimal. Sometimes a decimal is also written as 1 by 10. So here, first let's see how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So first let's take a number. Let's take an example 22 divided by 100. So in order to convert this into decimal, first we have to consider the number 1 as point. The number is taken, this is just a trick, is taken as a place for point. So we just have to first write the number above. So after, so here, now let's see the denominator, how much to the, and check how much zero it contains. So here it contains two zeros. So after two numbers, we have to put a point. Before two numbers, we have to put a point. 1, 2, point. This is how it is converted. Let's see another example. Let's see for 22, 23 over 10. So in order to convert this, first write 23. We'll have to check the number, take the number from backwards in order to give the point. So here, let's check the denominator. It contains 1 0. So from backwards, we'll check 1 and then point. I hope it's clear. If it is not clear, you can tell me in the comments below. So now let's take the differences. First, let's see terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimals, it means I'll just take an example and explain it to you. Let's take an example 10 over 4. So here in this case, if we divide 10 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, point 4 5s are 20. So here in this case, it is terminating decimal, since after point it is ending in one digit only. Similarly, there will be fractions which will be ending in certain number of digits. So this type of fractions are called terminating decimals. Terminating, just we will just consider terminating. Now leave the decimal part for this time. So let's see non-terminating recurring. In this case, we will get, if we divide, we will get the quotient in this part, in this type, such as 0.3333. It will keep on repeating but never end. So let's take the example. Now let's take the example 1 over 3. So if we divide 1 over 3, first we'll have to take point in order to take a 0 here. Now 3 3s are 9. Since we have taken point, we can take here 0 again. We will get 3 3s are 9 again. So here we can see it is repeating, but it will never end. How to check if a decimal is recurring? I will just give you a short trick. So here in this case, we have to divide 3 with 3 by 10 by 3. So here in the question, so it's not exactly, it is 1 by 3. So first we'll take point. So keep a check of this first. Check the numerator in the question. 3 3s are 9. So the remainder is here. The remainder is same as the numerator. So we can directly say it is non-terminating recurring. So we can write it is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating means it never stops, and recurring means after certain digits it repeat itself. So here we will get the quotient as 0.3333. So in order to represent these repeated numbers, we will see the order of repetition. Here only 3 is repeating, so we will write 0.3, and on top of 3 we will give a bar, and it represents that 3 is repeating. Now third one is non-terminating, non-recurring. It is similar in certain way to this non-terminating recurring, up to the point that it does not stop. Non-terminating means it does not stop, as well as the number does not repeat. Number pattern does not repeat. For this, you can take the example of pi. Pi, its value will be, I guess, 3.1415, and it will be repeating so on. But the pattern never repeats itself. So you can check the value of pi by searching it in Google. So that's it for this video. Thank you.